1, 2, 3. They tell me that you're steady, and just as true can be. And I heard you're unrelenting. You keep coming after me, but I've been traveling for a while now. I'm trying to find my way back home. And if you don't count the crickets, it sure seems I'm on my own. So come like a freight train in the mountains, make me forget what silence is. I don't need no miracle to save me, no, just see me to where darkness is. I know you see past the edges, when my feet have yet to roam. But all I see are broken ounces my hands made, but I can't call my home. It's coming like a freight train in the mountains, make me forget what silence is. I don't need no miracle to save me, no, just see me to where darkness ends. I'm not asking for the answers, though you know that's what I want. So just teach me to be patient and be gracious when I'm not. You're coming like a freight train in the mountains, made me forget what silence is.